In this video, you'll explore the tools and features available for working with the interactive map display in the IcySea interface. This video will not cover working with and understanding the various ICE information layers found in the upper right corner, which is covered in separate tutorial videos. The basic tools include, among other things, distance measurements, coordinate extraction, exporting and importing course tracks, switching to dark mode, or effectively displaying your current location. Right-clicking or performing a long press on touchscreens unveils several map features. Copy coordinates allows you to extract coordinates from any point on the map in various formats: decimal degrees, degrees, decimal minutes, or degrees, minutes, and seconds. The extracted positions appear as a blue dot on the map, and the coordinates can be pasted anywhere else, for instance in emails or documents. With Share Location URL, you can share IcySea locations with other IcySea users. This function generates a URL that opens IcySea and zooms directly to a chosen location. If you have a location-specific question to the IcySea technical support, for instance, to receive interpretation guidance for feature on a radar image, we recommend using the Share Location URL functionality. Measure Distance creates a path of navigation points directly in IcySea, accompanied by distance measurements. You can create several of such navigation paths and delete them again, individually or all together. If you want to use the navigation points in a different software, for instance, a navigation software such as the ECDIS, you can export the navigation paths as GPX, RTZ, or KML files by clicking the export symbol in the upper left corner. You find the exported files in your standard download directory of your browser. These measurement files can then be imported into navigation software like ECDIS or into Google Earth. With the export functionality, you do not only export the measurements, but all the data you have downloaded via IcySea. For instance, the image tiles and the global data such as the polar-wide sea ice concentration in geocoded image format. You can also import GPX, KML, or RTZ files from another software into IcySea to view existing routes directly on the map, for instance, your planned cruise track from the ECDIS. More map features are located in the Settings menu in the upper left corner. For using IcySea at night, you can switch the map display to dark mode. You can choose to always have the dark mode on or off, or to make it dependent on your system settings, if you have dark mode implemented in your operating system. Under Map Settings, you can choose to cover land on satellite images. This can sometimes ease the interpretation of the images by showing only water areas. To view your current location in IcySea, click the position icon located in the upper left corner of the interface. The displayed location is determined by the data your browser accesses. On mobile devices with integrated GPS, such as tablets and smartphones, the position shown is typically accurate to the device's actual location. On PCs connected to satellite internet, the location might be wrong, reflecting the location of your internet provider rather than your actual position. To display the correct position even on your PC, you can connect an external GPS signal either with a dongle via a USB connection or through the wireless network on your vessel to a distributed GPS position. Go to User Position under Settings to select the correct COM port for your GPS signal. Detailed instructions for setting up virtual serial ports are available in the FAQ section on the Drift Noise website. Now you are ready to move on to the next tutorial video, where you will learn about the IceCharts information layer.